What's going on here?
Nem. This relationship is no longer working. Can't you see?
Ekun, don't do this thing to me. Why do you just want to leave me like this?
Notch, you're no longer doing the things that you used to do for me. You're no longer buying me bags, shoes, all the things that I wanted. So I cannot do this anymore with you.
After all we have shared, after all I sacrificed for you, after all I sacrificed for this
It
relationship.
is not enough.
Ha!
And moreover, you're not in my league anymore.
Some lady. Some man was in a league.
God forbid.
No be notch with this. Omo, when not begin fresh like this?
My God.
How you dey come out here? For how many months like they owe me 500k? Since then you never see one pick my call. Which kind of wicked woman be where you be?
Okay, how much are they owe you, sir?
500k. If you get my sender now,
Okay. Call your account number.
Let's have it. Let's have
22
it.
64 78 9 10.
Sent.
He said that more.
Spiritually and physically,
Guy,
no reach.
I beg, open up to us. Waiting with you.
Bro, I don't break up with so now.
Are you serious? Tell your babe.
After everything I did for this girl still leave me. Yeah? Now me they pay for her house rent. Now me they sponsor her mama way dey for village. I they sponsor her for school. I they buy her wig. I got her phone. I they do everything. Her feeding, everything every month. I don't fit get money 1 naira buy clothes for myself.
Try.
Eh? I can't think say na village people they do me. I don't know say na this girl na she they suck me. Immediately this girl leave. I mean,
Guy, I don't tell you this thing. Relationship for Lagos, it be like adopting orphan. Now occupational hazard. So now your breakup be your breakthrough.
hey, one I clear.